Hi, Christine again here. Just thought I would kind of just do another song really quick before I have to go to work. I've been slowly working on the hand strength on my left hand again so I can start playing again. Part of the thing I sometimes do for my patients that I take care of is I'll bring the guitar in and I sing for them. And it's kind of fun. I used to be on stage a long time ago, and hopefully I'd like to get back with the Calliope Women's Chorus at some point, but I gotta wait till kids grow first. The song I'm gonna do is Arlo Guthrie's Lightning Bar. It's a little more simple on the chording, little harder bluegrass country style. It's an old song, and actually one of the first that I had done in guitar class way back when. It was just kind of fun, and I'm also going to be using a pick that I cut from a Crystal Light container top. It's soft without being brittle like some of the fine tortoise shell picks that you get, and it bends just enough for this without being too harsh. Normally I do the picking or the strumming pattern I'm going to do with my bare hand, which ends up with bloody knuckles and stuff like that. I've done that before, but because I haven't been playing for so long, that's not extremely feasible right now. So hopefully I do a decent job. I hope you enjoy it. I don't need no diamond ring, I don't need no Cadillac car. I just wanna drink my ripple wine down in the Lightning Bar, down in the Lightning Bar. Some people value fortune and fame, I don't care about it none. I just wanna drink my ripple wine, gonna have my good time fun, gonna have my good time fun. When I die, don't you cry for me, don't you bury me at all. I just put my living, let loving bones in a jar of alcohol, 100 proof alcohol. I don't need no diamond ring, I don't need no Cadillac car. I just wanna drink my ripple wine down in the Lightning Bar, down in the Lightning Bar, down in the Lightning Bar. I love that last ring on that chord because there's so many strings on this thing, it just kind of rings. So there you go, guys. That was just a shorty. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. As I get better, I'll be posting more. So you guys have a great evening and blessed be.